Welcome back. Before you send your first campaign, it helps to pick the right plan. In this video, we'll explore the Email Sendex pricing page together and find the plan that fits you. Click Pricing in the top menu. This page lays out every plan side by side. Here's the big idea. Most email tools charge you more as your contact list grows. Email Sendex doesn't. You pay one flat fee with no per contact tax. Grow your audience as much as you like. Your price stays the same. The first plan is Hobby. It's free forever. It's a great way to try Email Sendex, learn the ropes, and send to a small list at no cost. As you move up, Starter, Pro, and Business, each plan unlocks more. The green check marks show exactly what's included, like higher sending limits, more contacts, and extra team seats. Up here is a monthly and yearly toggle. Switch to yearly and you'll see how much you save. Paying for the year up front knocks a healthy percentage off the price. Scroll down for the full comparison table. This is the easiest way to see, feature by feature, exactly what changes between plans, so you can match a plan to what you actually need. Further down, you'll find a frequently asked questions section. Click any question to expand the answer. It covers things like switching plans and the optional CRM add-on, which is $19 per workspace each month. When you've chosen, click the button on your plan. If you're new, it says Start Free, no card, so you can begin without entering payment details. If you're already signed in, it simply opens your workspace. And that's the pricing page. Flat fees, no per contact tax, and a free plan to start. In the next video, we'll walk through buying a paid plan at the checkout.